In the previous module, we have illustrated how to finance your property selection by identifying your goals, as well as your monthly budget. Next is to identify your transaction budget. Many first-time investors are able to afford a property based on their monthly budget, but they forget to take into account the initial transaction costs, which also includes other legal fees and stamp duties. A general rule to ensure that you're able to pay the initial transaction fees is by saving up and preparing a budget of around 4 to 5% of the property's price. Assuming that your property price is $500,000 US, you would need to prepare at least $20,000 to $25,000. Remember, you would also need an additional $10,000 to $20,000 for other transactional expenses. Next question, landed or high-rise assets? You need to keep in mind the location of the real estate as it determines its accessibility and how close it is to amenities such as supermarkets or schools. Then select your focus. If you are focusing on rental income, a high-rise property will definitely yield the highest revenue. Even though a landed property may cost more, it does not guarantee higher revenue than a high-rise property such as a condominium. One of the factors is because tenants are always searching for convenience, whether there is a parking space, good security system, and accessibility to major highways. If you're looking towards capital gains, a freehold landed property provides better investment as the prices are more resilient to depreciation as there is land attached to it.